What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. So I'll be talking about something very interesting that I feel everyone should make use of in VS Code, right? So I know the feature is out there, but not most programmers or not most developers make use of it, right? So I'll be talking about how you can pin a particular tab on your VS Code, right? So nothing much going on here. I just have a project I initialized with npx, and you can see that there are a bunch of tabs open here. So if I scroll, you can see there are a lot of tabs open here, and I know it happens to beginner most especially, right? So you know how you can pin your tab on WhatsApp, right? Where you have the most important chat pinned on top, followed by the one next and stuff like that, right? So it's also possible in VS Code, right? And to do that, all you have to do is to right click on the particular tab you want to click and scroll down until you see pin tab, right? You can see pin tab, then click on it. So you see, so we have this page.tsx pinned here. So let's say we want to pin this package.json to. Another way you can do that is to press Ctrl K, then Shift Enter. So you see it gets pinned here, right? So you're saving yourself an extra stress of scrolling through all the tabs that are open, right? Where you can just see all the pinned tab here, right? So I feel this is a great feature that everyone should make use of. Even if you're a beginner, right? You can get to pin the tab that you know that you're going to be making use of mostly, and when you are done you can get to unpin the chart, right? So I hope this video was very informative to you guys. If you enjoy it, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, and see you in the next one.